Okay, so since our well is now in question, and it looks like we're going to have to abandon it officially, um, we got to definitely shore up our other water sources, our rain catchment. And the bus rain catchment is working pretty great. We're working on some things on the outside, and so these overflow tanks that we have, those are already full. So we need to add to those, and I'm going to show you that process. Okay, so we've got some parts here that we're going to try out. So we've already got this PVC going from this first overflow tank into the next one. Got to get a lid for that, and we already have one over here. I'm going to be drilling a hole in this so it can be covered. We'll seal that. And the idea is that as the water pushes up from here, this will be at an angle and head on down to that tank, which will just be probably slightly higher like that. I'm having some second thoughts about this, but we're going to give it a try and see what happens. If it doesn't work, we'll figure out what's next.